Article 27, Paragraph 4 of the India-USA Treaty. And what this deals with is how will the competent authorities communicate with each other? What will be the procedures for the purpose of concluding or taking forward map, both bilateral as well as unilateral. The competent authorities of the contracting states, which is the Indian competent authority and the US competent authority, may communicate with each other directly. Some treaty also provide that instead of communicating directly, they can also do through their or authorized representatives for the purpose of reaching an agreement in the sense of the preceding paragraph. What does this mean? This means that the Indian and the US competent authority can directly communicate with each other, right, in order to arrive in an agreement, right, which deals with cases where the taxation is not in accordance with the provision of these convention. The competent authorities through consultations shall develop appropriate bilateral procedures, conditions, methods and techniques for the implementation of MAP provided for in this article. So when we look at these two lines, the reference is to bilateral. In addition, a competent authority may devise appropriate unilateral procedures, conditions, methods, and techniques to facilitate the above mentioned bilateral action and the implementation of mutual agreement procedure. So if you look at this part 2, actually Rule 44G and 44H are a part of what has been done by India to fulfill its obligation under something like this. They are the unilateral procedure which is done by the Indian competent authorities for the implementation of MAP. When we talk about bilateral procedures, what these deals with is many things in terms of how the discussions would move. How would the collection or stay of demand work pending such time when the map is under discussion between the competent authorities, right? And so on and so forth.